Escudero also floated the idea that even if the Senate does convene, the 20th Congress could still choose to set the impeachment proceedings aside.
That conclude the trial before June 30, 2025. We must recognize this impeachment case is functionally...
At this juncture, Mr. President, I move that we adjourn the session until 3 o'clock in the afternoon of Monday, June 2, 2025. So moved.
Meanwhile, whether itutuloy o hindi, this is our constitutional duty. Now, very clear to sa ating constitution na once na-transmit ang impeachment sa Senado, wala na kaming choice kung hindi ipagpatuloy ang impeachment court. Kaya nga nakasulat pa nga doon, forthwith. No? Hindi na namin desisyon yan. Duty na namin yan para ituloy.